Hey, tea lovers, let's talk about something special in our Georgia Peace tea, the Passionflower. This gentle bloom isn't just about looks, it's a game changer for soothing anxiety and promoting better sleep. Passionflower creates magic as a natural remedy that's been trusted for generations. Feeling anxious? Passion flower contains compounds that work wonders in calming the mind. When it's time to unwind, this natural sedative gently lulls you into a peaceful slumber, making it a bedtime superstar. At Rooted Vines, we've chosen passion flower as one of our key ingredients in our Georgia Peace tea. We believe in the power of nature to heal and restore. So the next time life feels overwhelming, brew yourself a cup and let the soothing essence of passion flower work its magic. Here's to finding peace in all the little things.